The surface couching stitch is unlike any other stitches found in hand embroidery. The reason being that it uses two threads to be created. You would begin by bringing out the thread that you want to show majorly on your project. Take the needle out of the thread and leave it open. Since this laid thread does not go through the fabric anytime, except during the start and end, you can use thicker threads too. Here I am using all the 6 strands of the hand embroidery floss. Now use another thread of the same color or a different color to come out on the stitch line and tack down the laid thread. Keep up with this process at an equidistance. When you are taking sharper curves, the laid thread can be pinned down at a shorter distance to maintain the shape. Usually, the tacking thread is thinner. I'm using 2 strands of embroidery floss. The surface couching stitch is great when you want to use it on really curvy patterns and lettering, as it can meander well. Also, when played with 2 colors, the stitch can be highly decorative. Ensure to pull and tighten the laid thread once a while to keep it taut. When you reach the end, knot off the tacking thread at the back of the fabric. Now, thread back the laid thread into the needle and pass it through the fabric to end the stitch. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching.